Okay guys, so let's identify some of the structures on this model. So you can see multiple things here, some glands, some tonsils, we could see different cartilages. So if we start from the front, from the anterior view, you have the mandible down here, the tongue, and I'm gonna take the mandible off so we could see what is under the tongue. You're gonna see two glands over here. This gland is the sublingual gland, and this one is the submandibular gland. So remember, sub means under. So this is under the tongue, and this will go under the mandible. These are both considered salivary glands. So they're part of the digestive system. Now on the very back of the tongue, you're going to have the lingual tonsil. So this is a tonsil, this is not a salivary gland. So lingual tonsil on the back of the tongue, and then you're going to have this sublingual gland beneath the tongue. So don't mix these two up. If we look at the front, this is going to be the larynx. This cartilage over here, number 2, this cartilage is the thyroid cartilage. It's basically what makes the Adam's apple. If you look at the thyroid cartilage, it doesn't go all the way around. So as you can see, it just like stops right here. However, below the thyroid cartilage, you have the cricoid cartilage right here. And cricoid goes all the way around. As a matter of fact, it's a little bit bigger on the back side. So this is the cricoid. And it just goes all the way around. And we're going to have the trachea down here. The trachea has these cartilages called tracheal cartilages. They're C-shaped. So if you follow them, you could see that they don't make a full circle. So again, these are called tracheal cartilages. Now let's look at the back of the larynx. The opening into the larynx is called the glottis. This is the glottis, and the flap that will cover it, it folds down to cover it, this is called the epiglottis. So epiglottis, and then the opening is called glottis. Again, here's cricoid. Number 4 is the arytenoid cartilage. And then slightly above that, number 5, you have the corniculate cartilage. It's a tiny little cartilage over here, and it's triangular. You also have cuneiform. However, cuneiform is going to be in here, inside the tissue, so you can't really see the cartilage by itself. And here is the thyroid gland. And I think that covers it for this model.